Heirloom Shower S-1615, Back Wall Installation Instructions by A.H. Furnico. Let's install the mirror to the back wall. Put the rubber grommets and bolts into the mounting holes. Put on the nuts from the back side of the panel. Now let's install the glass shelf. Remove the screws and washers first. Decorative chrome washer and silicone washer are placed on the interior side of the wall. Metal washer and screws are on the back side. You may find it easier to put the back wall on a work table. Finish all 4 mounting points. Install the base of shampoo dispensers to the back wall with long bolts and washers. Tighten the base to wall with washers and screws from the backside. Place both dispensers to the base. Install the towel bar. Remove the screws and washers first. Separate the plastic washer, metal washer, and nut. Bolt with washer going through from the panel's backside. Put on the metal washer on the front. Tighten the bolt. Now let's install the sliding bar for the handheld shower. Take off the chrome covers from both ends. Put the bolts through the screw holes on the L mounting chucks at both ends. Let the bolts go through the panel and put on the metal washers and nuts. Tighten the bar with a screwdriver. Reinstall the chrome covers. Install the through-wall water supply elbow. Tighten the ring nut from the back side of the wall panel. Connect the elbow to the flexible water hose for the handheld shower.